Bloody Mary.
Yes.
Ours is green with green tomatoes, so we're making a Jealous
Mary with grilled green tomatoes.
Yes. Yum. So, I've got some green tomato slices here. Right onto the grill, a little bit of salt and pepper, olive oil, very simple.
I love green tomatoes.
I love them too. Listen.
Raw with a crispy garlic as a salad.
Yes. Oh, exactly. See, anything that you think to make with red, you can make with green, and it's got more punch to it. It's tart, it's tangy.
It's sassy.
So I'm gonna go ahead and garnish our drinks with some olives, so why not grill those as well?
Grilled up olives.
Let me show you what I've already got grilled down here, and we'll put it together really fast.
Okay.
Just remember when you're grilling with skewers, soak them for like 30 minutes before you do anything.
So they don't ignite, right?
Yeah, you don't want them to burn. So here we have our grilled tomatoes. Now in the blender, I've already got one whole green tomato, not grilled. We want that natural tartness and the color.
That's right.
All right, because once you grill, it kind of
it
gets
loses
a little
the
bit
green,
darker.
right?
Yeah.
It loses the bright.
So I'm gonna take a few slices in here. I'm gonna bring some limes over and squeeze them in. Put that in there. Maybe like, yeah, squeeze that down in there. Now, Rachel, how spicy do you like it? And do you
like it hot.
Now, here's a real question. So, we all have our favorites. Do you like plastic top hot sauce or wooden top hot sauce?
I want to go with the straight up plastic top hot sauce.
Okay, there we go, there we go.
Whatever. I like Frank's Red Hot and I like
That's
Tabasco.
what I'm talking about.
One or the
and
other.
Texas Pete is good too.
Texas Pete's good.
All right,
we have Tabasco and Red Hot in our fridge.
I love it.
But I like smoky Cholula too. It's yummy.
Now, I know you like Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire. Bugs Bunny always said I like Worcestershire though. So
a little
I
shake.
love a little shire.
And then some horseradish is
Little
gonna
horseradish,
go right in.
gotta have that.
Are you keen on the horseradish?
Yes, baby.
Okay, so I'll do a double scoop for
You
us.
can have a
'cause I
little
am
black
too.
pepper too. I love black pepper.
Heck yeah, let me get that for you. You're right up my alley, girlfriend.
And then, shall we? Virgin Mary?
Pour on the love.
Nah.
You know
Pour a
she's
little
jealous.
love in
She needs a
there.
couple of drinks. You know what I'm saying? All right. Let's flip that green switch.
Oh my God, that's gonna be good. I'll ice it on up.
And then don't forget, right over the top, you can put
we're gonna do the
in
olives.
your olive, and I mean, why not?
Oh, this
Forget
is
the
lunch.
celery stick, put in a carrot stick, right? Oh.
You're pouring it right over the top.
Right over.
Get out of the way.
And there you have it. A jealous
Gorgeous.
Mary.